Hi everyone, today's song is When I Was One or Going Over the Sea. Ready? When I was one, I played a drum, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship, and the captain said to me, "We going this way and that way, forward and backward over the Irish Sea. We going this way and that way, forward and backwards over the Irish Sea." Why do I like this song for preschool circle time? Because it's got a story. Also, they're playing different instruments and it introduces numbers. When I was one, I played the drum, and it's rhyming as well. So it's a perfect song for preschool story time. Let's do the second verse, shall we? When I was two, I played a kazoo. When I was two, I played a kazoo, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship, and the captain said to me, "We going this way, that way, forward and backwards over the Irish Sea. We going this way and that way, forward and backward over the Irish Sea." And then the third verse, which is also quite easy to remember, is when I was three, I sang merrily. When I was three, I sang merrily, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship, and the captain said to me, "We going this way and that way, forward and backward over the Irish Sea. We going this way and that way, forward and backward over the Irish Sea." And then you keep going, and the next verse is when I was four, I danced on the floor. So as you can see, rhyming song, right? When I was four, I danced on the floor, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship, and the captain said to me, "We going this way and that way, forward and backwards over the Irish Sea. We going this way and that way, backward and forward over the Irish Sea." And the last one is when I was five, I did a jive. When I was five, I did a jive, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship, and the captain said to me, "We going this way and that way, forward and backwards over the Irish Sea. We going this way and that way, forward and backwards over the